Ndewonu, ndị Igbo na-amasị. Greetings to you lovers of Igbo. Unu abịala n'ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. You're welcome to today's lesson. Ka anyị mụọ Igbo. Let's learn Igbo. And so today, we'll be looking at some basics of everyday expression. That's some words, some simple words that we use in our everyday interactions. All right. So the word we are looking at today, we are looking at nye, means give. Nye. Listen to me the way I pronounce it. Nye, give. All right, I can say nye muken. Give me my own. Nye muken. Give me my own. I can also say nyeya. Give him or her. If I want to say nyeya nkeya, give him or her his or her own. Right? Nyani hai choro. Give us what we want. Nyani hai choro. Give us what we want. So you can play around with that. You can also say nyeha. Give them. Nyem. Give me. Nyeya. Give him or her. Nyeha. Give them. Nyani. Give us. All right, so also another form of the word, nye binye, give some. Nye binye, give some. So if you're holding something now, and I want you to give me a part of it, I can say, nye binye, give me some. You are eating biscuits, and I say, nye binye biscuits. Give me some biscuits. So, nye binye ya, give him or her some. Nye binye ha, give them some. Then you also have the word to take. Were, that's take. So I can say were ya, take it. Were nka, take this one. Were nka, take this one. Or I can say were nka, take that one. Then were ise, take 5. So I can put any number there. Werato, take 3. Another form of that word to take is webiri, take some. Webiri, take some. So if I have something and you say you want some of it, I can tell you to webiri, that's take some of it. So if I'm eating akara, I can ask you, webiri akara, take some akara. I mean, cut out of what I'm eating or take out of what I'm eating. Webiri akara, take some akara. All right, another word we have is nara, accept or receive. Nara or nata, accept or receive. If you're familiar with some songs, there's a popular song they sing nara, nara, oh. Accept, receive. So nara ya iho wetere, receive from him or her what he or she brought. Accept from him or her what he or she brought. Naraya iho nyere gi. Accept from him or her what he or she gave you. Naraya iho nyere gi. Accept from him or her what he or she gave you. Then naraya onyinye owetere. Accept from him or her the gifts that he brought. Then another word we can use, you can play with like that is weta. Weta, to bring. Wetaya, bring it. Wetaya, bring it. Then the plural form of it, chita. Chitaha, gather them, bring them. I can say chitaha or oteha, bring them. Once I use that word chita or ote, you know I'm talking about more than one thing. If I say wetaya, it's just one thing. Wete, weta, weteya, bring it. Chitaya or oteha. Chitaha, oteha, that's more than one thing. Example, poterem akwụkwọ ndị ahụ. Poterem akwụkwọ ndị ahụ. Remember I say when we say chita, pote, it means I'm talking about more than one thing. So when I say poterem akwụkwọ ndị ahụ, bring those books for me. Then I can also chitu ube ndị ahụ. bring those pairs. So once you hear chita or ite, talking about more than one thing, bring those pairs. Then chikota ha, gather them. Chikota ha, gather them. Bokota ha also means gather them. The next verb that we can play with like that is happen. Happen, to leave something. If I say happier, let it go. And then if you're holding someone, I say happier, let him or her go. If you're holding something, I say happier means let it go. Then happier, leave him or her alone. Let him or her alone. So happier, leave him or her. Then I can also say happier, leave it for him or her. Happier, leave it for him or her. And so today we've looked at a number of verbs that we can use in our everyday expression. So go over it, and as I said, watch our video on pronouns, and then know how to combine pronouns and play with these verbs. So I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching. Dago Kemesia.